Now let us see the 62nd question. The molar conductivities of sodium chloride, HCl, and the sodium acetate are given. At infinite solutions are 126.45, 426.16, 91.0 Simon centimeter square mole inverse respectively. Here they ask that what is the molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution. This question is from physical chemistry. Firstly, write the given data. They given the molar conductivity of sodium chloride is 126.45 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Okay. The molar conductivity of HCl is 426.16 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. And the molar conductivity of sodium acetate, that gives rise to CH3COONA, that will give rise to 91.0 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Here they ask that molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite solution is equal to. Here is the question mark. We have to calculate the molar conductivity at infinite solution of acetic acid. We know that by applying Kohlruff's law, molar conductivity of infinite solution of acetic acid equal to molar conductivity of sodium acetate plus molar conductivity of HCl minus molar conductivity of sodium chloride. Now substitute the above values in the given equation. Here the molar conductivity value of sodium acetate is 91 plus molar conductivity of HCl is 426.16 minus molar conductivity of sodium chloride is 126.45. Here units is Simon centimeter square mole inverse. By solving, you will get 390.71 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. The molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution equal to 390.71 Simon centimeter square. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer.